Hello everyone! Today, I'll walk you through the process of adding fonts to CapCut on your PC. Stick around and watch the full video, and let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First things first, let's close CapCut temporarily. Now, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will do. Go to the search engine and type in thefont.com, a fantastic free font website. Explore the categories, find the font you like, and I'm going for the synthetic. Click on it and then hit download. Once the download is complete, open the file, typically found in your downloads folder or desktop. Double tap on the font file to get a preview. Click install to add it to your computer. It's essential to note that once installed, this font becomes available not only in CapCut but also in other programs like DaVinci Resolve, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and more. Reopen CapCut and navigate to the text panel. Click on Font, then scroll down to System Fonts. Here, you'll find the newly downloaded font. Select it, and voila! You are now use your custom font in CapCut. And there you have it! Adding fonts to CapCut on your PC is easy as that. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!